Hello, people. I'm here. Gonna play this puzzle game, technically demo thing. I want to lockpick. It seems fun, so yeah, that's the plan. Little known secret, tend to go with file 3 when I ever play a game. Oh, okay. That isn't right. I do not know the controls. Z, apparently, is back. Shift is go. What's it called? I want to be the guy noises. Actually fell asleep during the latter half of it. Long fall. As you awaken, you find yourself in a strange artificial space. Let's see what's going on here. Alright. Let's go here. No, I can't go there. Alright, well. Door Haven, World 1, is only option. Keys and doors, level 1-1. Welcome to doors. Essentially just collect keys and go. Crazy. What a tutorial. Let's just clear 1 out of 9. There's definitely more than 9 levels here. 2 of a kind. Z to rewind your actions. I see, okay. Alright, so restart. Backspace. Alright. That's easy stuff so far, you know? Color search. Capture all sorts of different key and door types as you go along. For now, though, let's build some experience. Sometimes working backwards from the end goal is a good way to get a good idea of what to do. So, I want purple, but to get purple, oh yeah, why would I get blue? That's pointless, useless, 0 point to do that. Here we are. Little puzzle there. It is indeed so deadly. It's pretty fun. Easy so far. Alright. Sudden jump in complexity. Sometimes you can make the open door at no net expense. That's a nice one. I'll do that probably. Then that. Then that. Then I'll get that one first, and then yeah, there we are. Just doing stuff in the correct order. All that puzzle is not too hard. Sorry if my commentary sucks. I am not good at this sort of thing. Alright, 3 past the goal. Which way is the correct one? If I had to make an assumption, the little puzzle thing, it's taking a variety of things. these two, just grab this, and there we are. Easy. Tutorial world is a tutorial world. This one comes first then. 17418, obviously. Escort. That's neat. Walk speed is tiny, huh? Okay. So I want one pink and a purple. There's only the one purple, which means I can never use a purple. What do I have right now? Blue. Well, there's only one option to get blue from. Grab that, and that, and that, and then it's just a pink, and then that. Thank goodness for undo. Whoops. Ah, there we are. Nice easy one there. Not have been too terribly complex thus far. 1-8, greater than 1. Start making it this far. I think we understand the basic principles of keys and doors now. Now, let's introduce bulk keys and doors. I think it's also a good time to mention that by hovering the mouse over a key or door, you can see all of its properties, really. How fun! Obviously, the correct choice is this one. Nice and easy. That's 1-9. What are these two? 1A, 1B. Alright. That's how it's working then. This is the last, supposedly required level. Count the locks. No, well, it's just count however many. 1, 6, 1, 1. That's 9. 3, 5, 6, 10. So this is currently 9 to 10, so that sounds better. 1, 4, 7. Yeah, no. Middle one it is. 2, 3, 2. Nice and easy one. Oh, 110. Goes before the letters. Good puzzles send you off after your stay in door heaven. Goal is simple. Bring 6 white keys to the door. How you manage to do that is for you to figure out. Good luck. All right. Let's see, 16, 8, 4, 2. Let's not that way is directed pointless. 4, 2. Yeah. Well, let's just try go by vibe, I can tell you this. Vibes failed. Very sad. Nice tune, I have to say. Yeah? Alright, well, actually, that's a pretty simple answer. There we are. That's nice. And not too bad. Whole thing of picking the right keys, eh? 10 out of 9. 1A. More than 3 choices. Ooh. Uh-oh. Seems like just four several different paths you can take. Sure, so that can navigate a trouble like this, but you might set yourself for a rude awakening down life. You rely solely on your instincts. Screw it, let's go instincts. You can't stop me. I think I messed up. Yeah, I did. Alright, so. Let's try something like this. Yeah, no, that won't work. I need to only ever use one pink. I guess it will be that one. Alright. I think I figured it out. Gist of it. So go purple now and do there. sooner rather than later, I think. Alright. That's this needed. Yeah, I'm assuming the, what's the word? What is the word? Oh yeah, lettered ones are more difficult than otherwise. Makes sense for that to be the case, you know? There it is. Figured it out. Just taking multiple tries, figure out exactly how things work is how I tend to prefer to do things rather than be, you know, smart about it and think ahead. Ha! Those are concepts for losers. Not I. Branches. Thanks, H to hide. Fun. You know, I bet there's gonna be a puzzle where, like, you want to do that because there's gonna be stuff in the way down there. Anyway, well, we need all 8. Alright. This is just counting. So, you know, that's a lot. And 2 orange. This is out of the question, because then there's no way to get there. Using that, I can automatically grab that one. Now, I have 1 orange, which will be used in that one. And since that orange will be used there, I can also say that one has to be like that. Those 2 out of the way. Nice and easy. Alright. Let's see. 1 pink, 1 orange. How else can I figure out what else I need to do here? Three purple and 3 green. It takes 2 green. Pink. So yeah, I might have taken 2 whites. So that'll be 3 whites total. Alright, so let's look at the path if I take 3 whites total, which is these 2. So I have 1 white left and no more pinks. That 1 white will have to be used here. Also removing 1 of my 3 greens. So I have this one, and this one. With no whites, 2 greens, 1 orange, 3 purples, 1 pink. No pink. To get these. You know, I can just back away if I mess something up. Let's try it. Easier to, you know, work after doing as opposed to having to think everything through. Much harder. See how it is. Alright. Numbers better here. Yeah, that works nice and easy. Sweet, I was right. First try, baby. Woo! That's nice. That was flower. 1 seat. Pentacolor pattern. Final world level in this world. Final world in this level. That's proper. Looking at all these keys and doors arranged in this cool pattern is making me a bit dizzy. But hey, at least most of the doors have matching keys in front of them, so it'll certainly have an easy time opening. Whether that's some of the puzzle or not, I'm less sure of. Alright, well. So, first goal. 2 purple. I assume no point in grabbing that. And no point in getting those two. It's that one that you'll be going through. That's not a good way to do things. I want to be grabbing that later. Something like that. Let's go with that. Let's hope I did everything. Huh? Oh. That won't work. That will not work at all. Alright, that failed. Time to just do World 1 in this recording, I think. So, you know, this is going to be the last one. And I'll probably pick up right after. Something like that. I've got to figure out this puzzle. It's kind of a tough one. Music's quite nice. I'm gonna assume that's correct. Screw it, let's get that one. Got a purple. Let's grab that. And another pink. No. You get pink in the first place. 2 pinks. nobody at the blue. Alright. That's another failure. No purple there, so there's no point in this first run. You know what? Let's do the weird one. Just go. No, none of the oranges this first time around. I'll get those. That might work, actually. I think this was the correct solution. Forgot. Did the wrong thing. There we are. Then go on up here. Grab that last one. Grab the orange key. And grab the other orange key. There we are. As easy as that. Took a bunch of tries. Congratulations. Alright. Yeah, so that'll be enough for this video. I'll see you all in the next one.